Welcome everyone, I am Elisha Gaza. Now in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create an infographic, that is a picture with a write-up. Now let me show you a sample of some of those pictures that I have created. Let's say for instance you have a picture and you just want to do some write-up on it. Maybe you have a Facebook post, Twitter post, Instagram post, and you just want to write something on it in line with the content you want to put in front of your audience, and you don't actually know how to use this software like Photoshop and other software. There's a free way you can actually do that. Let's take a look at this other picture. You can see from here a picture I designed for free without the knowledge of Canva and any software. Now I'll be taking you through a simple website which is called Canva.com. Now Canva.com is a very popular website that has to do with just drag and drop. Now let's say for instance it's a template website where you get to pick a template and then redesign it. And if you've watched some of my subsequent videos that I have put on the channel, you will notice that I have created videos on how to design or create your YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, Facebook post, Facebook cover, book cover, and video using Canva. Now let's say today you want to create this picture. Just hover onto canva.com. Now I'll put the link down below on my video description. Now don't forget that Canva has a two-way aspect. We have the free aspect and then the pro aspect. Now any template that have a crown on it is always a paid template, and these are some of my work here. You can see, and they can easily save your work. You see recently designs and so on that I use Canva to do. Now let's over onto Facebook posts, and then if you click on that link it will take you to this place directly. Now you have a blank interface here. Now all you need to do is to pick from this template here and drag it to this place. Let's say for instance you want to actually use this template. Let's wait for it to load. Now all you just need to do is hover onto this place, edit it. Let's say you're writing a novel titled Love is Real, and you actually want to put information about that. You can actually delete this if you don't actually want to use it, but if you want to edit it, you just need to click on the content. Let's say it's a post, or let's say it's a novel. You get to decide what you are actually writing about, and you can easily drag this. Let's say for instance you want to reduce the size, or you want to, for instance, move the content, the write-up to the side. Or let's say for instance you want to actually change the font. All you need to do is come to this place and you can actually change the font to Newton Roman, Open Sans, and many font. But anyone you see a crown on it, it's a paid font. That simply means you will not be able to use it unless you pay Canva for it. Now let's say for instance you want to delete this picture and put your own picture there. All you need to do is come to upload. Then if you have your own picture on your desktop or your phone, you go to upload media, and then you pick any of those images. Let's say for instance, let's say I want to use this picture. I want to use this picture. Now you can actually see the picture here loading. You can actually see. Now there are many things you can actually do. with this. Let's say for instance you want to animate this text. All you just need to do is click on animate, and then you click on, you see, this longer, if you do this, it's no longer a picture, this is a video to say. Now let's say you drag the picture. All you need to do is it's as easy as that. Let's say you don't want this right up here, you can easily delete it. Guys, there are many things you can do with Canva. Let's say for instance you want to create a video. All you just need to do is hover onto video, and let's say you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. Let's say for instance I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. You just wait for it to load. Now let's say you want to create, let's pick this template, and then let's say how to edit like a pro. Let's say by designing tutorials. Let's say subscribe. Let's just say subscribe. How to, let's use the word here, design, and then let's change the color to white. You see how I highlight it? Come to this place and then pick your color. Now let's say I want to add text. You come to text here, and then let's say subtext, or you want to actually pick from this globe, but anyone you see crown on it, you can actually not use it. Now let's say I want to write infographic. Guys, this is easy to do. Let's say I want to actually change the color. Doesn't go. Let's say I want red. Okay. Now all you just need to do is come to this share and hover onto download, and then you can choose if it is JPEG or PNG or PDF standard or PDF print, but there are things you can do with this, just like you see star here. Now if you want to make this transparent, make the picture transparent, when you hover onto this, you'll not be able to do that. You need to have Canva Pro to do that. But if you don't actually know how to make your background transparent, you can actually watch some of my YouTube video. I showed you the site where you can easily remove background from your picture. All you just need to do is hover onto share, click on download, and then download. Same thing, you can come to your picture here, hover onto share. Now because you made it an animate, you have to change it to JPEG to make it a picture. Now let's take a look about the picture we just designed. You can easily see how to design like a pro. Guys, this is easy to do. Just hover onto canva.com and start designing your pictures, videos to put on your Instagram, Twitter, and other social platforms. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you want me to create in my subsequent video. Don't forget that in this channel I talk about how to design, how to create landing pages, how to create a website and blog, and how to be a content writer, copywriter, and how to grow your brand and business. Thank you.